Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities for Friday, February 27th, 2026. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Major U.S. stock indexes closed down, led by the Dow 30 Index dropping 521.27 points to 48,977.93, a 1% decrease. The Nasdaq Composite Index fell 210.16 points to 22,668.21, marking a continuing strong negative trend. Meanwhile, the Russell 2000 Index ended the day down 44.92 points at 2,632.36. Today's market breadth showed mixed results. The S&P 500 Index had more advances at 277 compared to 214 declines, contrary to its negative price direction. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite Index saw 2,023 stocks decline against 927 advances, reinforcing its strong negative trend. Examining returns, the S&P 400 MidCap Index closed at 3,575.26, experiencing a strong positive monthly return at 4%. In contrast, the Nasdaq Composite Index is struggling with a month-to-date loss of 3.38%, underscoring its overall downward momentum. The healthcare and energy sectors surged, reaching new all-time highs. Healthcare closed at 1,864.31, marking an increase of 1.7% with an upward breakout from a flat trend. Energy gained 1.6% to end at 855.11, continuing its very strong positive trend. Technology led the declines, dropping 2.1% to close at 5,365.46, marking a strong negative trend. Financial services dipped 1.9%, ending at 853.80. The sector's recent sideways pattern persisted despite today's movement. Among global markets, Hong Kong stood out, climbing 1.4% to 24.21, setting a new higher record. South Korea sustained its rally for the fourth day, closing at 151.37, marking a very strong positive trend. New Zealand followed, advancing for a fifth consecutive day. Looking at returns, South Korea has shown extraordinary performance with a year-to-date return exceeding 55.6%. Meanwhile, Norway posted an impressive monthly return of 8.8%, both illustrating robust positive trends. In the technology sector, Apple fell by 3.2% to close at 264.18, marking a two-day downturn in a mixed negative trend. Alphabet moved upwards slightly by 1.3%, reaching 311.43 amidst a mixed negative trend, and its price remained stable for the last 3 days. Amazon saw a 1% rise, closing at 210, experiencing an upward breakout from a 3-day sideways pattern, despite a very strong negative trend. Meta Platforms decreased by 1.3%, ending at 648.18 with a strong negative trajectory and continued flat movement for 3 days. Meanwhile, Nvidia saw a significant drop of 4.2%, closing at 177.10, maintaining a very strong negative trend after 2 consecutive down days.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 65,618.1, down by 1,872.50. The trend is on a very strong negative trajectory. Ethereum is also taking a hit, priced at 1,927.68, a drop of 100.22 or 4.9% today, maintaining its very strong negative trend. In the world of crypto returns, Bitcoin's year-to-date total return is down 25%, while Ethereum has fallen by 35%. both exhibit very strong negative trends. Dogecoin shows a more modest 20.5% decline year to date.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is showing mixed results against key currencies today. Against the euro, it stands at 0.8460, slightly down by 0.0014, indicating a recent downward breakout after 3 days of stability. Contrastingly, the dollar is up against the British pound with a minor gain to 0.7419, exhibiting a mixed positive trend overall. Meanwhile, against the Japanese yen and Swiss franc, the dollar shows a very strong positive trend at 156.0560, despite a decrease, whereas it faces strong downward movement at 0.7685 against the franc after a recent breakout from flat movements. Finally, the dollar weakened slightly against the Australian dollar at 1.4050, continuing a very strong negative trend.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.